morning, everyone.
Today I am going to be on a very important festival of India, Diwali. Diwali is celebrated all over India, and it's called the Festival of Light. It symbolizes the victory of light over darkness. We light candles, diyas, firecrackers, and fairy light to remove darkness on Diwali Eve. People wear new clothes, decorate their houses, their sweets, and gifts with their loved ones. In West Bengal, we celebrate this festival as Kali Puja. We spend time with our family and worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesh to invoke good faith. This festival mainly marks the return of Lord Ram to Ayodhya after defeating Ravan and rescuing Mata Sita. The Diwali whole gets religious important in our culture. Thank you.
Very good, very good.
খুব সুন্দর।
বাস দিয়ে দাও, দিয়ে দাও।
একটা প্রবলেম হচ্ছে, আপনারা ওইদিকে না বসলে কিন্তু খুব অসুবিধা হচ্ছে সত্যি, এতক্ষণ ধরে রিকোয়েস্ট করছি।